The TopCube three-dimensional printer enclosure A1 Mini keeps the printer in a controlled environment, which noticeably improves layer adhesion and reduces warping on temperature-sensitive filaments. Its insulated panels and fully enclosed design cut printing noise to a more comfortable level, making it much easier to live or work near the machine during long jobs. The enclosure helps contain fine particles and smells from materials like acrylonitrile butadiene styrene and thermoplastic polyurethane, so the workspace feels cleaner and less irritating during extended printing sessions. A generously sized clear front window and built-in light strip make it easy to watch the print progress and spot failures early, even in a dim workshop or office corner. Fire-resistant materials, a rigid frame, and effective dust protection add a reassuring layer of safety, while also shielding the printer from curious pets, children, and everyday debris. Purpose-built for the Bambu Lab A1 Mini with thoughtful cable and tube routing, it assembles quickly, feels stable in use, and supports consistent print quality over the long term.